Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today let us see about the difference between atom, element, molecule, compound and ion. Again, recall what is an atom, right? So atoms consist of a single nucleus with a positively charged surrounded by a cloud of negatively charged electrons. When atoms approach one another closely, the electron clouds interact with each other and with the nuclei. If this interaction is such that the total energy of the system is lower, then the atoms bond together to form a molecule. So this is the structure of the atom. At center we can able to see the protons and the neutrons, those and the electrons are revolving around the nucleus. What is molecule? So molecule is a group of atoms that are chemically joined together. It is possible for a molecule to be an element or a compound. For a molecule to be an element, it's a molecule of an element. Example is the oxygen. Let's say the elements both are the same. That is, a O2 means two oxygen atoms. So both are the similar element. So we can say it as a molecule of an element. In a compound, there is a molecule of a compound. There is two different elements. That is a hydrogen and the oxygen. Two hydrogen and one oxygen is there. So hydrogen and oxygen are the two different elements. So we are calling it as a compound. So there is a molecule of a compound. Then diatomic molecules contain two atoms that are chemically bonded. Another term, we can call this element and compound as a homonuclear and the heteronuclear. That is, if the two atoms are identical, for example the oxygen molecules, it's a O2, they compose a homonuclear diatomic molecules. That is, a dimeans two atoms, so both are the similar elements, so it is called as a homonuclear diatomic molecules. While if the atoms are different, as in the carbon monoxide or water, so here we can able to see two different elements, so they make up a heteronuclear diatomic molecule. Molecules containing more than two atoms are termed as a polyatomic molecules. Example, carbon dioxide and water. Here in the carbon dioxide, one carbon is there, two oxygen atoms are there, so more than two atoms are there, so it is called as a polyatomic molecules. The polymer molecules may contain many thousands of component atoms. The water molecule. How the water molecules are formed means, the water molecule is made up of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Contains 6 electrons in its outer shell. Actually it has an 8 electrons. 2 electrons are in the first shell, that is a K shell, and the remaining 6 electrons accommodates the outermost shell, that is a L shell, but that outermost shell has the capacity to hold 8 electrons. But instead of 8, only 6 electrons are there, so it cannot be has to form some attractive forces or form bond to attain stability. Hydrogen atoms, there is only one electron is there. So one hydrogen atom contains one electron. So here there are two hydrogen atoms. So both possess, each one possesses single electron. See the image. How the bond is formed means, in the oxygen or the outermost shell contains only 6 electrons, whereas the hydrogen each one contains single electron. Two hydrogen atoms shares its electron to the oxygen, so that the electron gains 2 electrons. That is a mutually shared electron. So it is not gaining, it is also sharing that electron. So it becomes 8 in number. 8 electrons in number in the outermost, so that this oxygen also gets stabilized, then hydrogen also. So here the bond formed. The molecular weight of a molecule is the sum of the atomic weights of its component atoms. If a substance has molecular weight m, then m grams of the substance is termed 1 mole. The number of molecules in 1 mole is the same for all substance. This number is known as the Avogadro's number. The Avogadro's number is 6.02214 into 10 power 23. Molecular weights can be determined by mass spectrometry and by techniques based on thermodynamics or kinetic transport phenomena. Then what is element? We all know that the elements are substances that are made from one type of atom. For example, hydrogen is an element, oxygen is an element, nitrogen is an element. It contains only one of hydrogen is called element. An element cannot be broken down into any other substance. There are 92 naturally occurring elements, and everything in the universe is made from these basic building blocks. Common examples include carbon, sulfur, oxygen, iron, copper, aluminium. Elements are represented by symbols. Here some of the elements are listed here with their symbols. And next is compound. Compounds are substance made from atoms of different elements joined by chemical bonds. They can only be separated by a chemical reaction. Common examples for this compounds are water, salt, that is a sodium chloride, methane, etc. Here why it is called as compound? Here we can able to see two different element. So it is called as a molecule of a compound. What is an ion? An ion is an atom or molecule that has a net electric charge. Here sodium, its configuration is 281. When it becomes iron, its configuration is 2,8. That is, it loses one electron, so that it becomes a positive charge. So usually the atoms are neutral. Why it is called as neutral? Both the protons and the electrons in its atoms are equal. Number of protons is equal to number of electrons. So it is called a neutral atom. When it gains an electron from nearby atom, negative charge, that is an anion. When it loses electron, it acquires positive, that is called cation. A neutral atom becomes an ion either by losing an electron or by gaining an electron. If it gains an electron, it is called as anion.